In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change time intervals in Anki. Now, first things first, head over to the Anki application, and from here, you then want to click on DACT. Select the DACT that you want to edit. In my case, it's going to be this default one, and then you want to navigate through the options under your screen. Inside this page, you just want to scroll down, and basically this is the interval settings for this specific DAC. Now, if you don't know any one of these settings, you can be guided by clicking on the name of the setting itself. So for this one, it's going to be the easy interval. It will then have the description for this specific setting. For this one, the number of days to wait before showing a card again. Basically, you can then edit this the way you want to. We have the minimum interval given to a review card after answering again. And so, in that way, you have successfully edited your time intervals in Anki. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.